We are the side for democratic politics and honorable peace. Government, take a step for the statute to Kurds in the new constitution, for an end to the colonial implementations, for an abolishment of the TMK, anti-terror law, and for the education in mother tongue, for an abolishment of the village guard system, for an end to the construction of dams and outposts, for an end to the police violence, for the removal of the electoral threshold, for the justice about Roboski massacre, for the release of all political prisoners, initially patient ones. Government, take a step for the freedom of the creator of the democratic salvation and freedom for Mr. Öcalan. Government, take a step. We are calling on all people and all powers of democracy and freedom in order to say, government, take a step. Peace and Democracy Party.